Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. This is a short beginner level sequence. So without any further ado, let's begin. Sit in any comfortable seated posture. You can sit in simple cross-legged posture. If your spine is not straight, please feel free to use a blanket or a folded bed sheet, block, book, anything to elevate your hips so that your spine is absolutely straight. Let's begin with a few inhalations and exhalations. Palms can be over the knees. Long inhale, longer exhalation. One more. Exhaling through the nose. Another one. Next inhalation, raise your arms up. You can open your eyes looking up. Exhaling, bring the arms down. Just waking up. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. We'll begin with neck rolls. So we'll start from right to left and from left to right, 3 rounds each side. Exhaling. A big circle. Exhaling forward, inhaling back. Store a lot of tension here. So just trying to release that, changing sides. Back to center. You can open your eyes. You can do the same thing for your eyes. So making a circle with your eyes. See that you're not moving the head. 5 times clockwise. 5. And reverse. Looking in each direction. And close your eyes. Squeeze. And open, release. One more time, squeeze and release. One last time, squeeze and release. Open your eyes. Right from there, we move on to our shoulders. You take your palms over the shoulders, fingertips on the shoulders. Take your elbows together in front. Inhaling, lift up. Big circles with your shoulders. Exhaling down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one in this direction. Inhale and exhale. This time taking the arms behind. Inhale. Exhale, elbows together. Inhale. Exhale. And exhale. Last time. And release. From there, as you inhale, arch your back, lift your head up, chest up. Exhale, curl. Inhale. Use your arms to open the chest more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. So from there, we'll be doing circles, rotations with the upper body. So moving from left to right 3 times, right to left 3 times. Sitting here, however you're comfortable. Exhaling towards the left, forward, right and back, and again. Changing sides. From there, extending your legs out, bend the knee, bend the right knee, inhaling, extend, exhaling, bend 5 times. And we change the sides, left side, inhale and exhale. From there, rotating your ankles in both the directions. So we're going anti-clockwise, 5 rounds. And clockwise. Lying down on the mat. From there, bend both your knees, one knee at a time. Bending both your knees, we're going to make hip circles. So you're pushing the knees out and bringing them in. Out and in. Excellent hip openers. Work with your breath. And we reverse the direction. Keep holding your knees for support. From there, keep the right leg in, extend your left leg out. Keep hugging the right knee to the chest. Stay here and breathe. From there, placing the left hand on your left hip, holding the right foot from inside, pushing the knee down towards the floor. See that the foot is facing towards the ceiling. Keep pressing the knee down towards the floor. If this is too difficult for you, please stay in the previous posture. And gently coming out. From here, keep hugging the leg. Hold the right knee with the left hand. Take the right knee towards the opposite side. Inhaling back to center. Exhale, release the leg. Hug your left leg in. Hold the knee close to the chest. Keep your toes pointed. Keep breathing. And releasing, taking the right hand on the right hip, holding the left foot from inside. Turning the foot up towards the ceiling, keep pushing that knee down towards the floor. If this is too difficult for you, please stay in the previous posture. And gently release. From there, hold your left knee from outside with the right hand. Bring the knee towards the floor. And come out of the posture. Hug both the knees into the chest this time. Hug the knees as close as possible. Stay here. Inhale. As you exhale, lift the head up towards the knees. Inhale, drop the head down. One more time. One more time, exhale. And inhale. From there, release your legs down. And extend your legs into Shavasana. Stay here for as long as you need to. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you and namaste.